सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EduTech. Today we are watching some current affairs GK questions for class 6 students. Get across to the best GK questions for class 6 in English on current affairs and get updated information about the world, India and general things. Also the below list of current affairs general knowledge questions for 6th class helps kids to score high in various upcoming competitive exams or quizzes. First question: what is the name of the Punjab folk dance? Gidha. This question answer is Gidha. Who was the first president of the USA? George Washington. Who is known as the father of computer? Charles Babbage. As is known as father of computer. Who is the fastest man in the world? Usain Bolt is the fastest man in the world. Who wrote the national anthem in India? Rabindranath Tagore wrote the national anthem of India. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare wrote Romeo and Juliet. What is the most widely spoken language in the world? Mandarin Chinese. Widely spoken language in the world. WWW stands for what? World Wide Web. So next question we will watch. In which year Indian Railways was founded? Which year? 8 May 1845. Year Indian Railway was founded. Very interesting question, and this question answer we have seen here. Next question. When is the International Literacy Day? When is the International Literacy Day? September 8 is the International Literacy Day. So today we have seen most valuable and interested GK quiz and their answers in this video, and I wish you will like, share and comment this video, because this video is useful for every students to do study well and get good knowledge. So I am completing my short lecture in here. Namaskar.